Welcome to another video. In this video we will see whether the Lidl W5 glass cleaner is worth your money and whether it can clean embedded dirt and insects from my car window. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Let's go. Lidl glass cleaner, 20 to 30 centimeters away. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, yeah! Wow! It's actually foam that comes out. I was expecting there would be coming out, yeah, just a mist, but this is even better. I mean, look at that. Zwei schöne Herzen. Ja, mit viel Liebe von Lidl. But this is nice, because the fact that you have this foam here, I mean, with a normal glass cleaner, it drips everywhere. And it drips on your lock, on your car's paint. Maybe you have an expensive wax on there and you don't want this glass cleaner all the time to drip on there. So this stuff is really good. It stays on the window. And yeah, I guess we could leave it like this or spread it around. I'm gonna put a bit more. Very nice product. I'll let it sit for a while and then I'll wipe it off. Ich mache mein Herz ein bisschen größer. Very nice and precise spray with Lidl. Yeah, and then after you let the Lidl glass cleaner dry for some time, then this is what happens. It kind of starts leaking down and then it's time to get your microfiber towel. According to the package, you just wipe it right off. So, and then you flip the towel around to remove the excess. Looks good, looks good. Oh nein, mein gebrochenes Herz. Aber das mache ich für Lidl gerne. Make sure you also spray a bit here underneath, where most of the dirt sits. And then if it runs down, it doesn't really matter too much. A lot of fun to spray with this Lidl product. The microfiber towel gets even stuck on the foam. I think it's even better to wipe when you still have thick foam, because the cleaning capabilities of the Lidl glass cleaner will be much better. Yeah, and a quick tip is to move your window wipers up and to really spray also underneath where your window waste wipers sit, because that's where most of the dirt accumulates, and then you just wipe it, but you won't wipe it all up on your screen. Your window wiper blades will thank you for it, because they'll last longer. Use the Lidl glass cleaner also on your headlights. Don't forget to clean also your rear view camera. And all the other lights to make sure you're fully visible in the night and everybody can see you. I really like the high amount of precision you can get with the Lidl glass cleaner, and that yeah, the foam actually stays where it should be and doesn't drip down. Ja, ich liebe Lidl. I love it. Very good to operate, very easy to spray. Ich liebe die Lidl Glasreiniger. Liebst du es auch? I love it. Let me know if you've ever used the Lidl glass cleaner. What's your experience with it? And oh no, it's already going away. But this is going to stay in my collection. Very good product, very cheap, cleans very well, was able to remove the insects and the stuck items on there, and very easy to operate, very precise. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe to my channel, and I wish you a fantastic day and a lot of nice memories with your car, together with the Lidl glass cleaner and other great products that you can pick up for only a few euros in the Lidl supermarket. Bye bye, see you in the next one.